I understand I'm now the youngest Liberal MP in the House of Representatives. It's exciting, but the reality hasn't sunk in just yet. It's still a few days after the election. Macpherson, here on the Southern Gold Coast, has a broad demographic in terms of age, background and experiences. And I will be their voice in Canberra. I'll fight for their interests, and I can do that because over the last couple of months, in fact almost the last year, I've been out campaigning, listening to thousands of people on the doors when I'm out in the community at various events, speaking to them on the phones. And what I've actually been able to do is understand their concerns. And the way I've engaged with people with my campaign committee has been very grassroots. And so I'm ready and able to fully represent their interests and fight for the best deal we can get for the Southern Gold Coast when I'm in Canberra. As you may know, my parents migrated here from Goa, and I'm very proud to have Goan culture flowing through my veins, because we're a culture that is hardworking, that believes in reward for effort, believes in small business and enterprise, and believes in the importance of the family unit. And these are also the reasons that I joined the Liberal National Party, because we share those values, and those values have, informed my childhood, they've informed my growth as an individual, and they will also be a part of my future as a Member of Parliament. I'm fortunate to have had the experience of working for Australia's former Foreign Minister, Julie Bishop. That role taught me to develop a very strong work ethic, and that's something that I'll take to Canberra as the federal member for Macpherson. What I also learned was how Canberra works, and that means that I can actually, from day one, go and fight for the interests of people here on the Southern Gold Coast, negotiate, work with my colleagues, and make sure that I'm being the best advocate that I can possibly be.